Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on Samsung S25 Edge. So first, when you're in a call, then ensure that the call volume is up. I know it sounds very simple, but sometimes the call volume is set too low or it's completely muted. So during an active call, press the volume up button right here to make sure that your volume is at max. Now what you guys can do is check the general volume settings. So go over to settings, now scroll a bit down until you guys see sound and vibration, click it, and here ensure that it's set to sound, and here you will have the volume, and here you will be able to change the call volume. Now what you guys can do is restart your phone. It's very simple, but sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues, including problems with audio during calls. So, how to restart your phone? It's very simple. First, hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now click restart and tap the icon again to restart your phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. Now, after restarting your phone, what you guys can do is check for the do not disturb mode. So make sure that it's off and it's configured properly. So now go over to the settings. Here, scroll a bit down until you see notifications. Here you have do not disturb, and make sure that do not disturb here is disabled. Now, if this didn't help you, then you guys can check for Bluetooth connections. So go over to settings. Now here you will have connections, and here you will have Bluetooth. So make sure that Bluetooth is off or that any device here is disconnected from your phone. So now what you guys can do, if it's still not fixed, then try and test with different apps. So check if the issue is happening only on regular calls or also in apps like WhatsApp, Skype, Google Duo, Zoom, or Meet. So if it's only during regular calls, then issue could be related to the phone's calling system or the network connection. But if it's happening in other apps as well, then the issue may be app related and you can try updating or reinstalling the apps. Now, if this didn't help you, then go over and check the earpiece and speaker. So check if the earpiece is blocked by dirt or debris, and if it is, then use a clean cloth or a soft brush to gently clean the earpiece speaker. Now, test the speaker by playing music or a video to see if sound is coming from the speaker. If there is no sound at all, then it could be a hardware issue. So now you guys can check for software updates, because sometimes a software bug can cause the no sound during calls, and updating the phone's software might fix it. So go over settings, now scroll a bit down until you guys see the software update. Now here click download and install, and it'll check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, so I don't have to install anything, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys installing it and see if that will get rid of the problem. Now what you guys can check is the SIM card, because if you have a faulty or a misaligned SIM card, then it can cause issues with the call audio. So try powering off your phone and then removing the SIM card. Now you guys can try and clean it and then reinsert it properly with the instructions that are on the SIM tray. And after that, if the issue is still here, then you guys can try a factory reset. So go over to the about phone, and here you will be able to reset the phone. As you guys can see, right at the bottom we have reset, and here we can factory data reset at the bottom. Now here we can scroll down, click reset, and then if the issue is still not fixed, then it might be a hardware issue. So check for hardware issues, and in this case contact Samsung support or visit the authorized service center to get the phone checked out and fixed. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.